Namaste children. So our next chapter will be factorization. So at the end of the session, you will be able to express an algebraic expression as a product of its factor and factorize algebraic expressions by taking common factors, by regrouping terms, and by using identities. So before we go into the lesson, we just recall the terms factors and multiples. So what is a factor? For example, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, right? So 2 and 3 are called factors and 6 is the multiple. So what is a factor? A factor is a number that divides into another number without leaving any remainder. So that is called factors. Multiple is what any number that can be multiplied together and form an integer. So that is called multiples. So what is factorization? So factorization of an algebraic expression means writing the given expression as a product of its factors. So numerically we'll say we can say that 2 into 3, right? So using algebraic expression. So then the term is defined as factorization. So these factors can be numbers, variables, or an algebraic expression. So what we are going to learn in this video. So factorization of algebraic expression, the problems based on factorization of algebraic expression, factorization by taking out common factors, factorization by regrouping terms, factorization by using algebraic identities. So based on these four, we are going to see an example problems. So algebraic identities. So what are the identities we are going to learn? So a plus b the whole squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And here next, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So based on these three algebraic identities, we are going to solve the problems. So first example, 7a power 5 minus 21a squared b. So first 7a power 5 can be written as 7 into a power 5 means it is 5 times, right? So we are writing as 5 times. So a into a into a into a. Next 21 a squared b. So which is equal to 21. 21 can be written as 7 into 3. So which is equal to 7 into 3 into a squared and b. And now we are going to find the common factor. So which is common? So a 7 is common, and then here we have 2 a's and also 2 a's are common. So we are going to write it as common factor. So 7a squared into, so the rest of the numbers. So in this, which is left? A cube. So which is a cube minus, and here 3 is left. So in minus 3b. So next example. So 6mnp minus 3m square n square p square plus 15m cube n cube p cube. So we are going to write it as a factor. So 6 into m into n into p. So 6 can be written as 3 into 2, right? So that we are going to split it as 3 into 2 into m into n into p. Next 3 m squared, n squared and p squared, which is equal to 3 into m in squared into n squared into p squared. Next to 15 m cube, n cube, p cube. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into m cube into n cube into p cube. So find the common factors now. So 3 is common, and so here we have m squared and m cube. So which is minimum. So next n square, n cube. Next p square, p cube. So take the minimum power, that is 3m 1 times. So minimum power is m and minimum power here it is n. So 3 into m into n and then also p power 1. So which is p. And we have taken here m, n, p, right? So only 2 is left, 2. And here from this we have taken 1 m as common. So now m and again n and p. Now plus 5. So 3 into 5, it is 5. 3 already we have taken. So 5. So m 1 times we have taken. So 2 times will be left. So m squared, n squared, p squared. Now the next problem. So x plus y minus x plus y the whole square plus x plus y the whole cube. So x plus y minus, so this can be written as 2 times. So x plus y into x plus y. Plus, and again it which can be written as 3 times. So x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. So we are just splitting and expanding and writing this. Now, so in this, what are the numbers which is common? That is, what is the expression which is common? X plus y is common in all these 3 terms. So we are going to take x plus y as common. So x plus y into. So we have taken x plus y as common. So what will be left? 1 minus. So if here x plus y into and here plus x plus y the whole square 2 times. So it is whole square. Now x plus y into 1. So take that and multiply within the bracket minus. So it's minus x and minus y. And here x plus y the whole square. Now the next example, m squared x minus m n p minus m n x plus n squared p. So grouping. So here we have x term as common. So we are grouping this. And here in this we have p term as common. So we are grouping that separately. So now, so in this we have m and x is common. So group this two. So here and then that 2. So m and x is common. We are taking it out. So from 2m and we are going to take 1s out. So m is left and here mx is minus n. So m minus n. And in this we have n and p as common. So minus. So n and p is common. So one time we are taking n and p into m minus n. So here it is minus is common, right? So we are taking the negative sign also common. So now in this 2 term we have m minus n as common. So taking that as a common. So m minus n into m x minus n p. That's it. Now using identities we are going to solve. So x squared minus 36. So 36 can be represented as x squared minus 6 squared, right? 6 into 6 is 36. So 6 squared. So this is in the form a squared minus b squared. So which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in the place of a, we have x, and in the place of b, we have 6. We are going to just replace. So x plus 6 into x minus 6. That's it. Now again factorizing using identities. So 9m squared minus 24m plus 16. So 9m squared minus 24m plus 16, which is equal to, so 9 can be written as 3 whole square and m squared minus 24m plus 16 can be written as 4 into 4, which is 4 squared. So 4 squared. So now this is in the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right? So a plus b, the whole squared formula. So we are going to apply. So in the place of a, it is 3m squared, and in the place of b, it is 4. So 2ab will be 24. So from that, so it is 3m 2 into a into b plus, what is your b? So we already have, it is here 3ma and whole square. So here 4. So what it will be your a and b? It is 3m and 4. So it is 3m. A is 3m and b is 4. Right? So when you multiply, you will get it as 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24m. So the answer will be 3m minus 4 the whole square. So a and b is 4. So a squared minus 2ab plus b square. So hope you have understood the problem. So based on this, we will solve the exercise problem in our class. So thank you children. Meet you in next video.